With Operation Glowing Speed, conducted from 27 to 28 July 1976, the United States regained world speed records previously held by the Soviets with their respected MiG-25 Foxbat. The following video tells the tale.
The Lockheed U.S. Air Force SR-71, on a routine-type mission, using a standard aircraft and regular crew, has recaptured 2 speed records held by the Russians, and bettered 4 speed and altitude records held by the YF-12A sister ship. On the morning of 27 July 1976, an SR-71 of the 9th SRW lifted off to recapture the world absolute and class speed records over the 1,000-kilometer closed-circuit course. Carrying a payload of 1,000 kilograms, approximately 2,200 pounds, the sleek Blackbird of the Strategic Air Command challenged the records established by the USSR's MiG-25 Foxbat in October 1967. This first flight, nicknamed Desert Trek, headed east, passing north of Reno, Nevada. It re-entered California near Bishop. Flying west, it made a turn south at Fresno and streaked across the tracking range at Edwards Air Force Base, California. The 1,000-kilometer closed-circuit course is a teardrop-shaped route encompassing portions of California, Nevada, and Arizona. As the Blackbird touched down, the unofficial record was posted. The SR-71 has recaptured the 1,000-kilometer closed-circuit speed record for the United States at an unofficially submitted 2,116 miles per hour. The second flight, nicknamed Fast Flight, challenged the absolute and class record for speed over a 15 to 25-kilometer straight course. The present record over the straight course is 2,070 miles per hour, established in June 1965 by the YF-12A. On this flight, the airplane was flown over a route similar to the closed-circuit course until it reached Edwards Air Force Base. After passing over the measured track at Edwards, a full-turn circle was made over Nevada and Arizona, re-entering California at a point south of Needles, thus putting them in position for the required second pass over the measured track. Returning to Beale Air Force Base, the unofficial record was posted, 2,194 miles per hour, significantly over Mach 3. Another one for the record breakers. The third flight, nicknamed High Flight, is for absolute sustained altitude in level flight. This includes the world absolute and class altitude records. Taking off from Beale Air Force Base, the SR-71 headed due east around Cedar City, Utah, turning south down the Grand Canyon to Kingman, Arizona. Re-entering California near Needles, the flight crossed the track over Edwards and out over the Pacific Ocean near Lompoc, then turned north up the coast and re-entered the continental United States near Eureka, California, and returned to Beale Air Force Base. Still another record for the Strategic Air Command's 9th SRW and the Blackbirds. 85,126 feet to establish an absolute and class altitude record in level flight. Air Force dignitaries congratulating the crew included Lieutenant General Schatz, Commander, 15th Air Force. Lockheed executives present at the ceremonies included the SR-71 designer, Mr. C.L. Kelly Johnson, Messrs. Larry Kitchen, Dwayne Wood, and Ben Rich. The flight crews, maintenance, PSD, and support personnel, and the remarkable SR-71 have set 6 new speed and altitude records. Speed over the 1,000-kilometer closed-circuit course, world absolute with and without payload, and airplane class 2,116 miles per hour. Speed over straight course of 15 to 25 kilometers, absolute and class, 2,194 miles per hour. World absolute and class altitude records, 85,126 feet.